أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
اقرأ المثالين ثم أدخل لا يزال على الجمل الآتية علما بأن لا يزال من أخوات كان. إبراهيم نائم. Ibrahim is sleeping. What is the meaning of لا يزال? He is still, Ibrahim is still sleeping. So لا يزال is one of the sisters of Kana, min akhawati Kana. That is, it gives nasab to the khabar. It gives nasab to the khabar, and it leaves marfu. That is, it leaves rafa to the mubtada. La yazalu Ibrahimu naiman. Ibrahim is still sleeping. Aminatu naimatun. Amina is sleeping. La tazalu aminatu naimatan. Amina is still sleeping. Hishamun azabun. Hisham is a bachelor. La yazalu Hishamun nazaban. Hisham is still a bachelor. Azaban. Al mudarrisu jalisun indal mudiri. The teacher is sitting with the principal. Al mudarrisu jalisun indal mudiri. The teacher is sitting with the principal. La yazalul mudarrisu jalisan indal mudiri. The teacher is still sitting with the principal. Ahmadu maridun. Ahmad is sick. La yazalu Ahmadu maridan. Ahmad is still sick. Al jawu harrun. The climate is hot. La yazalu al jawu harran. The climate was hot. Al jawu. Al maktabatu mughlaqatun. Al maktabatu mughlaqatun. The library is closed. La tazalu al maktabatu mughlaqatan. The library is still closed. The library is still closed. As-sayyaratu jadidatun. As-sayyaratu jadidatun. The car is new. La tazalu sayyaratu jadidatan. The car is still new. Still new. Hamidun ghaibun. Hamid is absent. La yazalu Hamidun ghaiban. Hamid is still absent. Dakhala zamiluka. Dakhala zamiluka marfu. Ra'aytu zamilaka mansub. Qultu li zamilika majrur. Dakhala zamiluka. Ra'aytu zamilaka. Qultu li zamilika. Here it's a special noun. See, jaa abuka. Ra'aytu abaka. Qultu li abika. Abu, Aba, Abi. Marfu is shown by waw, and then it is changed to alif in the case of mansub, and then it is changed to ya in the case of majrur. Abuka marfu, abaka mansub, li abika majrur. Your father came. I saw. Ra'aytu abaka. It's maful bihi, so it's mansub. Ra'aytu abaka. Qultu li abika. I said to your father. Li abika. Li abika. Li abika. It's majrur. Abu, Aba, Abi. The same way, Ahu, Aha, Ahi. Qala akhuka. Your brother said. Sa'altu akhaka. I asked your brother. Hadal kitabu li akhika. This book belongs to your brother. Dash na tajirun kabirun. Imlayil amakinil khaliya. Be ab. You have to fill the blanks with ab. Here you have to check. If it is in marfu condition, you have to put abu. Here it is marfu because it is mubtada here. Mubtadahu marfuun. Al mubtadahu marfuun. So Abuna Tajirun Kabirun. Our father is a big merchant. Abuna, Abuna, Abuna. Hadihi Sayyaratu li Majrur. So you have to put Majrur here. It's harfu jar. Abu becomes Abi. Li Abina. This car belongs to our father. Li Abina. Li Abina. Li Abina. Araita dash. Did you see? Did you see our father? Araita Abana. Araita Abana. Aina dhahaba dash ya Fatimatu. Aina dhahaba abuki ya Fatimatu. Mata kharaja abuka ya Aliyu. When did your father leave, Wali? Isali abaki ya Zainabu. Ask your father, O Zainab. Isali abaki ya Zainab. Ask Isali, ask abaki, your father, ya Zainab, O Zainab. Ana arifu dash ya Usmanu. Ana arifu, I know dash ya Usmanu. I know your father. Ana arifu abaka. Ya Bilalu katabtu risalatan ila. O Bilal, I wrote a letter to your father. Ila abika. Ila abika. Samitu anna. I heard that your father is a famous doctor. Samitu anna. Inna anna. After that it becomes mansub. So nasab's position waw becomes alif. Samitu anna abaha tabibun mashurun. I heard that her father is a famous doctor. Anna abaha. Aina dash ya Salma. Here you have to fill the blanks with ahu. Aina ahuki ya Salma. Where is your brother, O Salma? Kharaja ahuha. Her brother left. Ma'a akhika, with your brother. With your brother. Because of ma'a, it is majrur here. Ma'a akhika. Akhadtu alfa riyalin min dash. I took 1,000 riyals from your brother. Min akhika. Your brother. Akhadtu alfa riyalin min akhika. I took 1,000 riyals from your brother. Azunnu anna. I guess that his brother is a student. Azunnu anna. Anna akhaka talibun. Azunnu anna akhahu talibun. Azunnu anna akhahu talibun. I think or I guess that his brother is a student. Azunnu anna akhahu talibun. Abhasu an. I am searching for your brother. Abhasu an akhi ka. Al kalimatul jadidatu. Safirun, ambassador. Sufarav, Mughlakun, closed. Shurtiyun, shurta, police constable. Amidun, dean. Umadav, Marizun, sick. Mutaqaidun, retired. Taraka yatruku, to miss, to drop, to discontinue. Allafa yuallifu, to compile, to edit. Alhamdulillah.